Hello, I'm Mike Traskos with Electromech, and today I will talk about the results from our analysis of wire system failures on commercial aircraft in 2016. Now, the wiring systems on modern aircraft are amazingly complicated. Each wiring system on a modern aircraft goes from 10 to hundreds of miles of wire, thousands of connectors, and a whole bunch of other equipment to maintain the design and separation distances necessary within the wiring system. It should be of no surprise that as these components age with the aircraft, they also become more susceptible to system failure and component failure. To determine the extent and frequency of these failures on commercial aircraft, Electromech reviewed thousands of service difficulty reports submitted to the FAA. Our analysis of the 2016 data found that on aircraft 20 years and older, there's a better than 2-to-1 chance of wire component failure than on aircraft 10 to 15 years in age. In a perfect world, these failures would be benign and have no impact on aircraft performance. Our analysis of the 2016 data suggests that about 5% of wire system failures result in a diversion, an aborted takeoff, or an emergency landing. This corresponds to one major wire system failure per week, which is a slight uptick from similar analysis Electromech performed on data from 2010 to 2014. The data further showed that another 15% of wire system failures resulted in the aircraft being grounded for an extended period of time. To go beyond this, the EWIS failures are underreported. I had the opportunity to talk with a maintenance engineer from a major airline who read our white paper, and I was told that the EWIS problems within their fleets were noticeably higher than what gets reported to the FAA. So of course, the question is, are the numbers and the results of this analysis, do they point to component wear out, maintenance failures, or some problem with the design? The answer could be one or all three of those, but until the wiring system health, maintenance, and design are reviewed, it is impossible to know how best to address the problem within a given fleet. As a starting point, I recommend that you read our white paper on EWIS failures. We have a link provided below. We provide some recommendations on what you can do within your own fleets to improve performance. Also, if you want to be proactive about your wiring system and provide the same level of rigor with analysis that you do for engines and structures, please contact Electromech. We can get you from where you are today to a much better, much more improved, much more reliable wiring system. Thank you for your time.